Ang tubig po ay mahalaga sa ating buhay kahit pa sa simpleng pang-araw-araw na gawain tulad po ng pag-inom, pagluluto at paglilinis. Kaya naman maraming proyekto po ang nakatutok sa pangalaga po nito. Sa katunayan, isang event ang isasagawa sa Marso upang talakayin ang mga solusyon at inisyatibo para sa mas maayos na pamahala ng tubig sa bansa.
Alamin natin ang detalye tungkol sa Water Philippines 2025 Conference and Exposition sa isang makabuluhang panayam kasama ang mga kinatawan ng Philippine Water Works Association na sina Ma'am Net Javier, ang kanilang Executive Director, Dr. Dixon San Juan, ang VP for National Affairs at Partner Organizer na si Rose Shitanuat. Magandang umaga po.
Magandang umaga.
Good morning.
Welcome po sa RSP.
And Happy New Year. Alright, mahalaga ito ha. Usapang tubig, lahat tayo kailangan itong tubig. Tell us more first about your organization. Ito po nga PWWA ang PAWA.
Yes, good morning, Rise and Shine. The Philippine Water Works Association has been the umbrella organization of private and government agencies as well as individuals in the development of water supply. And the PAWA has been a vital role in advancing the water security, innovations, solutions, and sustainability through its annual event, the PhilWater and Water Philippines. And also, the Philippine Water Works conduct seminars, trainings in promoting the new product and new technologies for the better future of the industry in the Philippines.
Basically, nagpagtulungan po kayo both sa public and private sector. Tama po ba?
Yes.
So may mga miyembro din po kayo na from different sectors, academe,
Yes. We have
gobyerno.
the manufacturer suppliers, contractors, consultants, academe, and for the government sectors, we have MWSS, DUWA, the Local Water Utilities Administration, the DPWH and DILG, and also PAWAD, the Philippine Water Association of the Philippines.
Yung patanongin namin kayo, ano po ba yung usually na kinaharap na problema or challenges ng bansa po pagdating po when it comes to water?
Sa buong Pilipinas, ang water security and sustainability ang number one issue. At ito ang tinutugunan natin. Sa katunayan, yung Water Philippines, isa ang layunin nito ay tumugon sa water security and sustainability. Kasi sa water sustainability, mahalagang pag-usapan nito dahil ang tubig mahalaga sa bawat isa. So, ito, tinutulungan ng Water Philippines ang bansa natin sa pagkakaroon ng pagtatampok ng mga bagong technology, ideas, and innovations that can help our water utilities and the water sector.
Or Dr. San Juan, pinapakita natin kanina, I think that was your event 2023,
Yes.
ano? At kasama ninyo doon si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos. Tell us the highlights of that event.
Okay. Yung 2023 event na ginraise na no less than by our President BBM, yun ay isang exhibition, Water Philippines 2023, na kung saan ay nakita at ma-appreciate yung mga bagong teknolohiya at innovations. Katunayan, nakakatuwa nga kasi mismong ang Pangulo, nakita niya ang kahalagahan ng tubig. At ako'y natutuwa at kami natutuwa dahil during the speech of the President, talagang nakita ko yung kanyang malasakit sa water sector. At ngayon nga, nakikita ko ang both Chamber of Congress natin, ang House and Senate, talagang naitutulak na ang Department of Water. And hopefully, isa yun sa malaking makatulong doon sa ating sektor ng tubig para masigurado ang water and sustainability as well.
Okay, so pabor kayo doon sa pagkakaroon ng Department of Water sa panukalan.
Katunayan, pabor dahil ang Pilipinas napaka-fragmented ng mga agency sa water. Dapat may isang lead agency talaga na mamamahala para matutukan ang water security and sustainability dahil napakahalaga po nito. Dahil hindi naman po pwedeng uunlad ng isang bansa nang walang seguridad sa tubig. Dahil ang tubig ang pangunahin natin kailangan para mabuhay.
Ms. Rose, you have an upcoming event, yung Water Philippines 2025 Conference and Exposition. Ano po ba yung goal ng event po na ito?
Tell us about this event.
So the Water Philippines Expo 2025, we continue working with POWER, which is our strategic partner in bringing the innovation, technology, and all around to make water for Philippines country. So it is focused on from the drinking water till wastewater management. Back to Mr. Dixon mentioned about water security, sustainability. Water is important for every household, every business unit. So the way we are looking at that is how we bring the technology innovation into Philippines, how to sustain the water supply in Philippines. So in the show there will be around 400 companies, over 400 companies from around the world, more than 14 countries that exhibit and showcase their innovative technology, how to produce water, how to do desalination for like changing the seawater into the water that's ready to use. So this kind of thing is going to happen at the show. And we expect this to attract 12,000 trade visitors from hospitality, from hotel, from agriculture, from aquaculture to see how they can utilize water, produce water, and even manage water after they use it, like waste management concept.
Okay, so even if you're like from household, businesses, or different organizations, you can actually learn
Yes.
from this conference. Alright, open po ba ito sa mga ordinaryong Pilipino at ito po ba ay libre? Meron po bang fee? Yes.
Okay. Katunayan, open ito. Pero yung ating mga attendees dito ay need to register
Okay.
para masigurado na maayos yung pagdaloy ng programa. Katunayan, ang mga estudyante, lalo na ng mga estudyante ng engineering, ay napakahalagang umattend dito para makita nila yung teknolohiya at inobasyon na makatutulong sa bansa natin at sa kanilang pagpapractice in the future. Katunayan, ang academe madalas nagjo-join dito. At yung mga government agencies like water districts, like MWSS, LUWA, they join kasi nakikita nila na dito may natututunan talaga at may makukuha. Even yung malalaking suppliers, they join. Hindi lang para makakuha ng customer, pero makatulong talaga na paunlarin yung ating sektor.
So paano po ba, sir, mga gustong mag-join? Paano po ba sila?
Makaka-register.
Paano po makaka-reach out po?
Okay. Meron pong site ang Water Philippines na makikita po sa Facebook. They can see yung pong site na pwede po sila mag-register.
Okay, sa
Madali
Facebook.
po, i-type lang nila ang Water Philippines sa Facebook, makikita na nila kaagad yun.
So they can register free of charge.
Free of charge?
Yes.
Okay.
And it is just going to the website waterphilippinesexpo.com, so they can register to the event. And the event is biennial, every 2 years. So this is a good opportunity for Filipinos to visit, and we attract international visitors to the show, have variety of conference by POWER, and our partners like doing some workshop about water sanitation as well.
Alright, interesting. Parang ang dami mong matututunan talaga dito, ano? Just by mere going there sa conference.
Alam mo din, laging problema ng Pilipinas, di ba? Pagka tag-ulan, sobrang daming ulan. And then pagdating naman ng summer, di ba, sir?
Tagtuyot naman,
Wala
wala
namang
namang
tubig.
ano?
So ano po ba yung nakikita nyo ng pwedeng maging solusyon sa ganyang
Okay.
problema?
Katunayan, isa sa napakagandang programa ay pagkakaroon ng rainwater harvesting facility. Pwedeng mag-provide ang mga local governments, ang mga iba't ibang, kahit mga household, they can have the water rain harvesting facility na maliliit na para yung tubig na pwedeng pandilig ng halaman, na pwedeng palinis ng sasakyan, or ano, pwedeng yun ang magamit. Kasi makakatulong yun para yung tubig natin hindi magkulang. Kasi po, sa totoo lang, madami naman tayong tubig. Pero ang problema, maraming source ng tubig na kailangan mong i-treat pa. At bago yan dalhin sa kabahayan, kailangan masigurado na it's potable. So, ang Pilipino matutulungan kung tayo mag-iipon ng tubig na galing sa ulan na pwede namang magamit sa ibang bagay.
O yun, patikim pa lang yan ng pwede mong matutunan sa upcoming Water Philippines 2025. Marami pa tayong makakitang innovation doon, mga bagong technology. But I wanna go again to Ms. Nanette. Please do invite all our viewers to participate po dito po sa inyo pong aktibidad na ito. Go ahead.
We would like to invite each and everyone to attend the Water Philippines 2025 and also the Philwater. We have an event also in Davao on September. Please do register in our event. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Nanette, Dr. Dixon, and Ms. Rose. Marami pong salamat at kami po ay siguro makapag-register na tayo. Kahit mga taga-media, maraming matututunan dito tungkol sa tubig at mga latest patungkol po sa mga innovation and technology. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po kayo.
Thank you so much.